know more.
That's right.
Do the weather so we can
All right,
eat the
you
cookies.
guys enjoy the cookies. I'll talk about what's going on. It's a lot colder outside this morning, like 20 degrees colder in some spots. It's feeling 10 degrees colder than it was this time yesterday in Boston, and it's all thanks to the wind. It's bringing back the cold. So yesterday, 50s close to 60, not happening. In fact, the next several days, we are going to be stuck in the 30s. That is below average. Typical high this time of year is about 45. It is going to be chilly, yes, but dry for the rest of the week, if you can believe that. We haven't had a stretch of more than 4 days in a row of dry weather around here since early September. That was months ago. So a rare thing around here. We're going to get a chance to dry out. It is 30 right now in Worcester. We're 36 in Boston, 38 down on the Cape and Hyannis, but it doesn't feel like it. The wind's gusting over 20 miles per hour, so the wind chills are running primarily in the 20s this morning. It feels like 26 in Boston, but look at that in Worcester. When you factor in the wind, it is feeling like it's only 18 degrees right now, so you are going to want to bundle up today. Now, a little bit of patchy cloud cover dropping southward this morning on these gusty northwesterly winds. What you're seeing off to the west, these are lake effect snows back across western New York State. High pressure is building on in, so we are going to brighten up today, but despite the sunshine, this is the air mass that's feeding on in. Temperatures in the 20s to our north and west, so we're barely going to budge throughout the day. We'll take a little dip through sunrise down into the lower 30s, and then we only recover by lunchtime to about 35 degrees, and we're going to hold basically steady through the afternoon. It'll be bright but blustery with that northwesterly wind, about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So forget your high temperatures this afternoon. You want to dress for wind chills in the teens and 20s this morning, and wind chills that hold in the 20s pretty much all afternoon long. So it's going to be a cold one today. Tonight, clear and cold once again, but the winds are going to die down overnight. We'll drop down into the teens in our coldest suburbs, even low 20s in Boston. So a cold start tomorrow. It's another chilly day. Good amount of sunshine early on, but much lighter winds tomorrow. So temperatures in the 30s are actually going to feel like it's in the 30s coming up tomorrow. Do notice what happens during the afternoon, though. A few clouds start to work on in. There's going to be a storm system offshore. It's going to stay offshore, and you can see all the moisture heads on out to sea, but it will throw some clouds at us tomorrow. And then this front right here, this is actually going to drop through on Thursday night into Friday morning. Could bring a couple of flurries, but it basically just reinforces the cold. Saturday morning into Saturday during the day looks to be the coldest of this stretch. Teens and low 20s even in Boston. A little colder than it will be tomorrow morning. And then behind it, still dry. What we're going to be watching is our next opportunity for a storm. As we head into early next week, you can see Monday into Tuesday, it's close to us. We'll just to see how close it gets. That'll determine any impacts. It's likely going to stay a little too far away to be a big player, but we'll watch it for you. But between now and then, dry weather for days. It'll be